Hi, I made a robot arm. I have a video of the version 1 of this, but this is version 2. It didn't work in that video. Now I used Plexi. It fully functions. Right now it just works on 9 volt. I have to plug this here. Oh my gosh. This is the main phrase. And right now it's in the main mode, so when you first turn it on, it's gonna be like this. Now it has back and forward. This is left and right. Wait a second. Back, and this is forward, and then back. This is a circuit board, and I use just the wires. My foot. Here I have my laptop, which is not that, it has a galaxy. Not that, function. I'm just saying I have to do this. Wait a second, I don't want to show it, so. Oh, wait a second, that's not right. Oh, finally, okay. Insert now when I show it. Okay, nice. Oh, let me just get this. Where is it? I'm gonna put this on the bottom. So this is the code. You can pause to make the same exact thing. You don't have to make these. I'm in Turkey, so I write all these Turkish. So that I don't forget. No, this is connected. Watch. Oh, this was the one. Come on, don't. Oh my. Don't click there. Dude, are you kidding me, wizard? Bam. I did it. Watch. Really. It's meant to move more. Now. It gets a more encouragement. Whatever. Now, this makes it go left and right. And this is the claw. There are 2 joysticks, 4 servos. One hidden right there, one right there, one right there. And one just hardly, you can see the servo's motor. You see that clearly? Oh my gosh. This is a bit side. It might be actually sideways, but yeah, I think it was sideways, but I'll edit that to be front, forward, straight. Now there are 2 joysticks. Yeah, these you don't have to look at. Don't look at this, and this. These are useful. So this is left and right. This is meant to be. That's the claw, and this up and down doesn't work, but this one makes the servo work. Yeah, that's a mess of wires. But what did you use? A Raspberry Pi, an Arduino Uno, Nano, Uno right there. It took me a few weeks to finish this, but it's finally done. This is all Lego. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So, plus this also has the ability to be extra made. So, in the actual start of this, I wanted this. I made this out of wood. This exact thing, it was too heavy, so I cut the wood out. I didn't make this car, by the way. So let me just set this. Nice. Now it has Lego parts, so it's not sturdy. That's not also sturdy. And the claw bit. Close. That goes. Come on, close. I'll test this with this. It's a breadboard. You might know, because the buzzer on the top, you might know that too. Wait a second, I have to make this stand up. Okay, let's open this. Open up, please. Please. Why are you opening your jaw? Okay, now watch it. Grab it really loose. Oh, and then it decides that it isn't easy controllable. There's a bunch of cracky cracks. And a close up. That's hard. Show you. Yeah, I'm in 10%. 10x zoom. That's the crack. From here, it just looks like a plain old street crack. You can see that it is. And what is this? That's not plain old street. Now, if we come to here, let's just rinse the Arduino. You can see that it's not one of those cheapos. And it's not a classic because it's not green. Let me just get this a bit closer. So right there. And I'm not classic. But one thing that I can say is this took me a literal heck of a time. It took me so long that I literally exploded into pieces. But yeah, was it worth it? Worth it? But did I say that right? And then worth it? Yeah, 100%. Now this was this video. What is that doing? Why is it making that much noise? Please don't say I don't want to make a click. Oh my. Whatever. I want this to just complete this for heck. And here's my little animation for you. I don't want to go to the dead end now. Let me go down. Maybe. This is how I make it. I just put it in and bam, bye.